Okay guys, Kris Gethin here, and I'm going to put you through a crazy principle now. It's a giant set, which isn't always crazy. However, when you're targeting legs, it can be that way. Legs do require a lot of oxygen, a lot of blood, feel nauseous. But the thing is, it's a weakness with a lot of bodybuilders. A lot of bodybuilders focus on their upper bodies, they neglect their legs. So it's our opportunity now to turn this weakness into a weapon, and I think giant sets are the perfect entity to do that. So a giant set is 3 exercises back to back with no rest. Now we're not hitting isolation movements like a leg extension, hamstring curl and a calf press. No, we're hitting compound movements. So we're going to start off with the squats. As soon as we're done with a squat, we're going to go straight into a leg press. As soon as we're done with a leg press, we're going to go straight into a hack squat. So we're going to be hitting 3 multi-joint compound movements back to back. Again, this is why I think it's essential for all bodybuilders to do some form of cardio, because if you don't, you're going to end up on the floor after the 3rd exercise and you won't be able to repeat it again. So let's start off with the squats. I like to hit around 20 repetitions with lower body, slightly higher repetitions. I find that the lower body responds better to that. So that's what we'll be doing today. Yeah.
Don't worry, I didn't get you.
Okay, being a larger muscle group, you'll definitely want more rest in between each one of these sets or circuits before going back onto the squat, just to ensure that your ATP, your adenosine triphosphate, is completely replenished, so you can put everything that you can into each one of these sets to ensure that you target your fast twitch and your slow twitch muscle fibers with your 20 rep principle, and making sure that you do have good cardiovascular function in order to keep the intensity. Make sure you don't reach failure below 20 repetitions and hit probably about 5 of these circuits. These giant sets will definitely take your leg weakness into a leg weapon.